Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Clemente Gomez. I'm a photographer in New York City. And today guys, I want to talk to you about what I'm doing right now to trying to control the anxiety or the stress or anything like that because of everything that's going on. So I'm trying to be calm, to don't have any type of stress, to take everything slow. So guys, one thing that I could suggest to you right now to do in this hard moment right now is trying to see if you can learn new skills. If you can learn how to do marketing, now that you have all the time in the world, you guys can learn how to do some kind of marketing on Facebook, on social media, and learn how to do everything. You know, like how to put ads, how to send emails, how to answer to a client in a nice or correct way. That's one part of the business. I know, guys, you can learn how to do lighting right now. You can learn how to use flash, learn how to use LED lights. I mean, take the advantage now that you have all this time in the world right now to learn all those skills. So when things get back to normal and everything gets better, you guys already had at the time. You already guys have some knowledge and some skills about photography and or biographers, and you don't have to wait. Don't waste the time right now. Right now you have all the time in the world to be learning anything about photography. So why not? Learn how to, like I said, learn how to use LED lights. If you have any type of LED light, learn how to use continuous lighting. Continuous lighting, I think, is beautiful. It gives kind of like I like it because you can create kind of cinematography type of look. So learn how to do LED lights. Learn how to do off-camera flash. Learn how to use a reflector. Learn how to use softbox, an umbrella, off-camera flash. I mean, learn how to do all the stuff. Learn how to do pose. I mean, if you're a photographer and learn how to do pose with your wife or with your husband, do kind of like a lifestyle photo shoot with your kids at the house. Learn how to do product photography. Product photography, you can get really, really right now. I don't know right now if you can get a lot of jobs because there's a situation going on. A lot of companies, they're probably taking it slow right now. I'm trying to reach a couple companies, but some of them, they keep sending me the same message back that everything is slow right now, and hopefully everything gets back. But learn how to do some products. You can learn how to do food photography or like energy drinks or like a hat or like a wash. Learn how to do those stuff. So when everything gets back to normal, you already know how to do all the stuff. So if you don't know how to do pictures of products, learn how to do it. Learn how to position the light. Learn how to play with the lighting. Learn how to do I mean, anything in photography. Learn how to use your camera if you don't know how to use your camera yet. Learn how to do poses. I mean, also you guys can do some networking. Even right now, nobody's doing weddings or nobody's doing events or nobody's doing basically photo shoots for any type of photo shoots like commercial or headshots or anything like that. Learn how to do some type of skills, like get some type of skills, guys. Like learn about anything that has to do with photography, from, like I say, from lighting, poses, lenses, product photography, headshots, portraits, lifestyle. Learn how to do everything, guys, so you guys can be a versatile photographer. You want to be a versatile photographer that if anything happens, you already have at least a backup or something you guys can still create images. Because I think that's what a real photographer is. A real photographer is about a photographer that knows how to do any type of photography. With this, I'm not saying that you need to quit your photography. If you do weddings, don't quit weddings. If you do portraits, don't quit portraits. I did a video about talking about this, but I just wanted to mention it again. So, I mean, learn anything that has to do with photography, man, guys. I mean, a photographer who's a versatile photographer, I think has more doors open when somebody wants to hire you, because you cannot say no to something. If someone who wants to pay you $1,000 for headshots, you can say yes. Why not? If somebody wants to pay $1,000 for products, you can say yes. I know how to do it too. Like all this time in this life, they have these things that a photographer only has to learn one type of specific photography, and he only has to do that type of photography. He cannot do another type of photography. You only have to do that type of photography. And I don't think that's true, guys. I think that's the most horrible thing that you guys can do to yourself. You guys if you can be versatile, the better it is for you. Now, of course you can get specific in one type of photography jobs. Like if you want to do only headshots, then do only headshots. If you want to do only weddings, do only weddings. But at least you have some kind of experience and some kind of skills in another type of photography. That if something happens, like right now, wedding season is dead. But hey, somebody probably can call you for a headshot. Guess what? You know how to do headshots, and you go ahead and do the headshots, and you make yourself $400, $500, $700, $1,000 for headshots, and you know how to do it, and you cannot say no because you know how to do headshots. But if you don't know how to do headshots, how are you gonna say yes? I can do headshots. So I think a photographer should be versatile and learn how to do all type of photography work, so you guys can say no to a job, so you guys can say yes to a job. But yeah, you can, of course, you can specific on one type of photography you guys like to do. Commercial works pay a lot of money. Weddings pay a lot of money. I mean, any type of photography you guys can do, you guys can make money with photography. I don't think it's true that a lot of people saying, oh, you cannot be making money with photography in 2020. That's BS, guys. You still can make money with photography. I live in New York City. New York City is expensive, so to be able to live in New York City, you need to make money. And this is what I do. I'm a full-time photographer. I don't do nothing more than photography. This is my only income that I have. So yeah, I just wanted to do this video just to give you some motivation or something, and don't feel bad right now. I know it's kind of hard right now for everybody, and including myself, to be making money, guys. I mean, we all worry about how it's gonna be, all this situation is gonna be ending, when it's gonna be ending, what day we're gonna be available to go back to our normal life and continue working. But it's hard, man, and sometimes we get a lot of anxiety, we get a lot of stress, because it's normal. We human beings, guys. I mean, a photographer is a person, it's a human being. It's not some kind of machine with a camera in the hand. You are a human being. You have blood in your heart and your body. You have a heart. You're just like another human being. Just you do photography. I mean, but yeah, guys, I just wanted to do this video. Like I said, keep your head up. Use this time right now to learn some new skills. Like I said, marketing, lighting, poses, how to do some kind of networking. Become friends with vendors right now. And right now, all the vendors, they have all the time in the world. Right now, you can send emails to people, and probably people's gonna answer to you back, because right now everybody's at home. So right now is the moment for you to be sending an email and saying, "Oh, I'm a photographer. I see that you are a wedding planner. How can we how can we work together in the future for next year or something?" So now for you is the time for you to learn how to do all the stuff, so you guys can make money with photography. And don't be shy to charge either, guys. You guys need to charge for your time, for your work. Don't let nobody trying to put you down and tell you that you cannot be making money with photography. Yes, you can make money with photography. Don't let nobody put you down, guys. If somebody told you, oh, I don't want to pay that. Okay, next. Everybody have an iPhone, right? If they don't want to pay you for photography, okay, bye. Let them take the pictures with the phone, But don't stress. Don't get in an attitude or in a nasty way or something, or treat the people with a bad attitude, because you never know. They probably say no to you at first, but maybe they continue looking and they don't see any type of photography work that they like, and they maybe come back to you. It happens a lot of times before. That I always give some price, and when I give the price, they don't like the price, and a month after calling me and, hey, I want to hire you, I want to pay you what you asked me for. But if I wouldn't treat them bad, if I wouldn't treat them with an attitude, they wouldn't hire me, because I treat them bad. So try to treat everybody nice. I mean, if they don't want to pay you, guys, just move on. Don't even fight with them. Don't get into an attitude with them. Because I know sometimes people can get in your nerves, but I know how it is. But just trying to take it easy, take it slow. So yeah, like I said, try to learn some skills right now. Now is the best time for you to learn some type of skills in photography and make it happen, guys. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about photography, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram, Moa Gustav. Please subscribe to the channel. You guys can help me a lot if you support me right now, because I just opened this channel a few weeks ago. So yeah, I mean, subscribe to the channel. Like, if you have any questions about photography, please leave me a comment in this video, and we'll go from there, guys. You know, keep your head up, guys. Everything's gonna be fine soon if God willing. You know. So see you in the next video. Follow me on Instagram. Activate the bell so you know when I'm putting a new video out. And see you in the next one. Peace.